The capital markets industry is in the midst of major change. By 2020, things will not look as they do today. Many financial institutions will bear little resemblance to how they looked pre-crisis. The market may change, but these institutions will be needed more than ever. With more than 1 billion people moving to cities and needing everything from roads to clean water, and an aging population requiring adequate returns on their retirement savings, efficient development of capital will be more important. Are capital markets participants and users prepared to reimagine the future, innovate, and compete against this still unfolding backdrop? For PwC's Capital Markets 2020, we conducted 261 interviews in 19 territories and 8 languages to find out what industry executives think they'll need to do to lead in this evolving landscape. 6 priorities for success were identified. Proactively manage risk, regulation, and capital. The flood of stricter regulation continues, forcing players to rethink their regulatory approach. Capital will need to be allocated more efficiently and effectively. Technology and data will need to be streamlined and unified to effectively manage business and regulatory requirements. Establish stronger culture and conduct. Capital market participants must think, act, and incentivize in new and different ways in order to align themselves with their clients. These changes are becoming key value drivers and differentiators of the future, and society will be the judge of whether an entity has broader social utility beyond making money for its employees and shareholders. Redefine the business model. Technology is enabling a shift in the business model. Financial institutions will look to rationalize their offerings, country footprints, and the clients they serve. Structures need to be simplified, product offerings reduced. Firms must stay focused on core competencies. Developments like cryptocurrencies and cyber defense also need to be incorporated into business models. Strategically renew the operating model. Operating models have become immensely complex and ad hoc. The leading players of tomorrow will have to detangle those complexities and simplify their end-to-end operations. Capital market participants will be more like manufacturers, picking and choosing core competencies and outsourcing or working with others in their non-core operations. Enable innovation and the capabilities to foster it. Innovation will need to inform every aspect of a business, from product design to operations, to drive excellence and fill profitability gaps. How will it happen? Are innovation centers enough? We see parallels in the software industry, where acquisitions and partnerships are the most valuable source of innovation. Obtain an information advantage. In 2020, leading institutions will have harnessed big data to make better decisions about markets, products, and clients, and create competitive advantages in client experience, operational design, risk management, and profitability. So where is your organization on this journey? Do you want to lead the conversation or catch up from behind? Change is coming. Powerful forces are drastically reshaping the capital markets landscape. The challenges are clear, even if the ultimate endgame is not. PwC is here to help.